Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Chrome browser settings. And in this video, I will show you how to restore your Chrome browser setting back to default. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here where you have these three dots. Go ahead and click on that. And the next thing you want to do, come down below right here. Make sure you navigate to settings right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down right here until you get to reset settings. Go ahead and click on reset settings and it's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click here, and then here you go. Reset some Chrome setting and Chrome shortcut. Disable extension, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you click on reset settings. Once you reset settings, some of the information you are going to right here, some of the extension is going to be disabled, and at the same time delete cookie and temporary data from the particular site, everything is good. And your Chrome browser become very new. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Chrome settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.